How are we all doing, guys? Welcome back to the Fox's Den for another face shave today. Before we go any further, I'm all wired for sound. Got a little box around my neck that tells me if I ever feel funny or helps to do with me ticker, I've got to press this button and it records it. But up to now, touch wood, I've been alright. Anyhow, that's it. Right, we've got a new razor in the den today, guys. I've been fancying one of these for a hell of a long time, must be 8 months, and I thought, I've always seen something else like to come, instead of it, like so. And I watched Chuck's shaving channel. If you haven't watched Chuck's shaving channel, go and give him a sub. Smashing bloke in Florida, go and give him a sub. And they were using the Parker variant, and I've always fancied it. It looks nice and chunky and chubby, great leather channels on it and everything. 2-piece, and I got the one with a black handle on it. It's adjustable. It's from 1 to 5. If you go 5, well, you can go to 5 plus. Go to the plus sign. If you go on, if you can see numbers in it, it's very hard to see. If you go above 5 plus, it loosens it. So you got this it's basically 1 to 5 basically. The length is 4 inch. It's 100 millimeters in length. Great looking razor. And it's 110 grams, guys. And it's brass and chrome coated. Nice razor. So today, and in it, we're going to put in a blade that I like, to be fair. And it's a Tiger Platinum. I think they're a great blade, these Tigers. A lot don't like them. I love Derby blades. A lot don't like them. But it's just people's face and people how they shave, isn't it? But I think they're from Czechoslovakia, I'm not sure. I think it's from Czech Republic, I'm not sure. Right, the brush we're going to use today is a synthetic brush from my good old firm, Frank Shaving. I think it's a 26mm synthetic knot. It's a nice little brush. So we're going to give that a drink in the Fox soaker. No, we don't need to. But we're going to give it a drink in that for 5 minutes. Right, guys, the soap we're going to use is an old traditional classic soap today. My wife hates this one. She can't stand it. This is an old spice she doesn't like, but I like it. I like it. So today we have got Tabac. I like it. The old Tabac. And I'm going to mix it up in the bowl that it comes with. And the aftershave splash is Tabac 2. She'll not be very happy. She'll not talk to me for the rest of the day. We're going to use a bit of Mr. Allen from ShaveNation.com. And then we're going to use a bit of Thayer's Facial Toner Cucumber, Witch Hazel and aloe vera. So we're going to use that and finish off with my old favourite, the Arco Nim. And you try this yet? Oh, you're missing out, guys. Right, I want to get this blade in, get this lather mixed up, blah, and I'll fetch you back in a second, don't go nowhere. Right, while we're just doing this. I've put the blade in, guys, if you can see it. There you are, look. And it's on it's on 1, so I'm going to take it up to number 4. So I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's on number 4 anyhow. I think you can see it. This phone's not too bad at macro, to be honest. It's on number 4 anyhow, if you can't see it or whatever. So we're going to get that a drink now in the sink. So we'll put that in there. I haven't mixed the lather up yet. I thought I'd talk to you for 5 minutes while we're doing this. So we'll get a bit of this stuff mixed up. Oh, Mrs. She's not keen on scent at all. I like it. I don't mind it, me. I think you get used to these, like with my dad and things like that. You know what I mean? You get used to your dad's scents, don't you? Old scents, what bring back memories and that lot. He must have used tobacco at some point. I can't remember using tobacco, but he must have done because it's an old-fashioned scent, isn't it? Like it's 70s, 60s, 70s, 80s. You know what I mean? It's all that type of era, isn't it? So I can always come back to Puck if I need some more. That should do it, look. So whips it up. We've got the blade in. Let's take my lads and lasses off now. And stack them up a little bit there. So how have you all been doing, guys? Well, I've been alright. Went to hospital yesterday. Never seen so many, trouble. Oh shit, I hope I get water on that. Never seen so many ambulances queued up. Oh, look at that. You know, like we're having, in America you probably not know, but in this country, we're having a nightmare with hospitals and overrun, especially with older end people, not including myself, older end people, like them in the 80s and 90s, what have you, they're getting this flu that's going round and they're in hospital basically. It's a killer, to be honest. It really is a killer. So they were queuing up and poor people laid in ambulance for, I don't know for how long. There must have been 16 ambulances queued up yesterday. The only thing is, they can't leave the person, so if somebody else is in a dilemma, who's had a heart attack or whatever, or choking, or I don't know, whatever, they're going to be left, aren't they? You know what I mean? Ambulance drivers, they can't move nowhere until they got rid of the patient. So it really is, this country's had it. It's gone to the dogs, this country, I'm afraid. If I were young enough, to be honest with you, I'd bloody move away from here. I'd move to Spain or Australia or whatever, or no. Somewhere anyhow, definitely away from this place. This government's killing this country. Absolutely killing. They always blame Conservative government, always cleaning their mess up. They might be, but they always blame that. They don't blame themselves, they don't blame whatever, you know what I mean? Now they're on about stopping pensioners, the free prescriptions. Nah, oh God, that's something else to kill pensioners off. Stop the winter fuel payment and also stop free prescriptions. That's not going to be able to afford it, are they? So they're going to end up dying. Government, nearly swore then. Nearly swore then. Very close to swearing then, Mr. Fox. Right, guys. Oh, look at my shirt. It's all clean on and all. Nightmare. Got it splashed all out front. Right. Here we go. With the Parker variant. First time ever. We want go across. I like these leather channels. They've got lovely big leather channels on it. Oh wow, that's not bad at all, that ain't, I'll tell you. That's not a bad shave. Oh, the weather is diabolical here again. It's terrible. Absolutely rubbish. Dull. It's not raining, but it's dull and miserable and cold. Oh, God. Roll on summer. Roll on summertime. Because I hate this weather. Let me lay in bed at night sweating. I can cope with that. We've got a big fan. We have a fan on at night time. Beautiful. I nice is that, eh? Is that fan on? That's not a bad first pass, guys, that. Can't grumble at that for a first pass. That ain't a bad first pass at all. Nice. Right, we're going to turn it down. We're on number 4. Hang on. Let's put lads and lasses back on to turn it down so I can't see it now. Where are we? We're on number 4. So we'll go to number 2 and see what number 2 does. See what it's like. Thank you very much to me new subs. We are 600 and I can't remember now. 660 are we, I think, something like that. 660 or whatever. Not be far off. We're having another giveaway. So I want to do a good one this time. I've got some stuff to give away this time. Just be unfortunately only at UK only, I'm afraid. I just can't afford to post it. It costs a fortune to post it. Hook, line and sinker again, maybe Mr. Murray. You know that to catch a fox? Well, it's caught this one. I've just ordered Splash soap from that. God dear. Right, we're going to go again, guys. On number 3. Number 2, sorry. Brilliant. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. This is me that's not buying no more. That's it now. I'm not buying no more soap. No more Splash. Mr. Murray comes out with this one. Oh, I'll buy that. I know what scent it's like. It's Tom Ford's, I don't know, is it Gippoloni or something? It's beautiful, beautiful scent. And we all know what Graham soap's like. It's fantastic stuff. It really is good stuff. Oh, wowee. Well, Chuck, you were right. I think this is Chuck's favourite razor. It's very, very, very efficient. Even on number 2. Do you know, I forget what it were now, but somebody's message. I said to you on that, what they call it, you know, we've been using Artist Club blades. You know, I use that Pro Guard and that lot, and I said, what a great shave it is with that Pro Guard on it. And I couldn't work out why that down here, your usual suspect spots down here, it took it all off. Well, 99% of it all off. And somebody's come back and said, the blade's thicker. It's down to thickness of blades, and I think he's right, to be fair. It can't be length, because it doesn't make any difference about length, does it? It's got to be down to the thickness of the blade that makes a difference. Well, guys, what can I say about that? That's absolutely fantastic. That's a great shave. That's a great shave. Smashing. Look how dull it's going in here now, Jesus. Right. We'll get some tartar here, hopefully, if I can get out on this. Oh, we'll have enough for a pick-up pass. Or a polishing pass, as I call it. Oh, why, plenty. Plenty for a polishing pass, look. I know what Michelle will say. You smell like an old man. Bless her. You've got to keep trying different soaps. You can't keep sticking to the same one. There's channel gets a bit boring, doesn't it? If you stick to the same soaps and the same razor and everything, you can't do it. Right, guys. Polishing pass. Not be a lot to polish, I don't think. Still leave it on number 2. Number 2 doesn't have to do it good. And another thing, I thought my heart goes out to all these people in America, Los Angeles and that's lost their homes and everything. Oh dear, how devastating is that? That's terrible. It really is. It's terrible. And it's not finished yet either. I don't know. He lost his home, didn't he? What did he call him now? Hannibal the Cannibal. Hannibal Lecter, who played Hannibal Lecter. Anthony Hopkins. He lost his home and everything, bless him. You know what I mean? But they can afford to start again, but a lot of these other poor people are not be able to afford to do all that again. And it's not a matter of that, even so, I'll probably be insured and things, but what's the insurance company going to be like? They're going to be absolutely broke. They're going to not be able to afford it all, are they? Because they're going to be paying billions out, aren't they? You know what I mean? Everything's going to be absolutely billions of pounds. I don't know how much, whether Biden's or Trump it'll be then, is giving them something towards it, or I haven't heard anything like about it like so. Well guys, that's a shave. That's brilliant. That is amazing. That's a fantastic shave. It really is. Let's just empty a sink out for a start off. I don't know. I think this world is trying to start taking it back. We're going to end up back in stages where we lived in caves, guys, at this rate. Something's out to get us all, I'm afraid. Look at that. That shines bright like a diamond. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Like a Bernard Matthews turkey. You'll not know what that is in America. Well, he's dead now, bless him. Used to be a Norfolk turkey breeder. Everybody used to know Bernard Matthews turkeys and that. And he had... Oh, shit! Nightmare. Anyhow, it's not a crying or spilt pot, is it? What a nightmare. Slid off that side. Anyhow, what can do about that now? I'll have to get another mug. That's the end of Fox mug gone. So, aye, so yeah, you're well known for his turkeys. I'll cut my swearing bit out, guys. So, Bloody hellfire, I don't know. Totally broke. Hot then, didn't you? Nightmare. Oh well. Mr. Allen from ShaveNation.com. Nice. Lid off that for a bit. To dry out. Put the lid back on that. Stand that there. Hopefully it'll not fall off. What a nightmare. My best fox bowl. Oh well. Oh, there's stuff in here. It don't stand up right. That's it. Aye, so there's no else to report, I don't think, guys. I don't think so, anyhow. Can't think of it. Let's rinse this cloth under cold water. God, dog, it's going. God, dear. Oh, I got my Sheldon binoculars. I didn't tell you, did I? Oh, God. Got them. Oh, she opened them and that lot. And said, oh, hey, brilliant. Puts it up to the thing. Can see through one eye. Other, shook it about and something broke inside. So one of the lenses you couldn't see through, it was black, so we had to send them back to Amazon. And there's no problem. I bought another set and they gave me money back straight away. There were no problem, like so. Right. Bit of Thayer's facial toner. Cucumber. Fresh salad. A fresh salad. While waiting for that drying, what have we used? We've used a new razor today. We've used the Parker variant. I started off on number 5, and then we went down to number 2 to finish off with. Nice razor, I like it. Good razor. The blade we had in it was a Tiger first use, which I will keep that. The soap we used is the Tabac Soap. Did it in the jug. Oh, what am I doing here? I'm going loopy, me. I'll just put that on, it's already. The brush that we used today was the Frank Shaving 26mm synthetic knot, and we gave that a drink in the half of Fox mug. Nightmare. I'll take this downstairs, pick these little bits of pods up and all. I don't know. I think these things are sent to testers, guys, aren't they? Hey. I think I've got all the bits up anyhow, so just don't want my shell to get it on a thing. Right, what else we're using now? Let me just clean me, dry my hands. Dry my hands. Oh yeah, wow, backside on this chair. It's a nightmare. Thought we were going to use the Tabac Splash now. Yeah, plenty on. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful stuff. Good stuff, I like it. Strong, very good stuff. It's not bad at all. But Michelle don't like it. When I go downstairs and that should be going, old man smell. Look at that shine. Woohoo. Just let that dry a little second or two. And then that will be it for this one. This one come round, these shaves, don't they? They're some whip round. Weeks are going flying past. Let's just make it fly past the summer and then put brakes on then. So, we hadn't had to use these binoculars yet. We hadn't had a chance because the weather's been that cloudy and miserable like it is again today. So we should not be to use them until it gets a bit brighter. But it'll soon get brighter, I know. It'll soon get there, guys. Right, let's put a little bit of Arconem, my favourite. This is the almond one. I think we've got enough in the lid to use, I think. Good stuff. If you want that to catch a fox, it's a limited edition, guys. So if you nip over to Mr. Murray's page, I've got a link below to nip over anyhow. And if you want to get one because it's limited edition. And I've paid for mine. I bought mine. I have it free. That's what I keep saying to you. These were alright, you know. These little towels. I think off Amazon, I think you got 9. I think they were for about £7, and they're alright. Them fleecy drying towel things. Good, pretty good. Let me get my lads and lasses back on, and that's it, guys. So we will see you now. I don't know if we'll do an head shave on camera this week or not. I might just do one a fortnight, I don't know. It depends on what you people want. Some of you don't like head shaves, I know. So if I do decide to do one, I'll do it. If I don't, I don't. And if I don't decide to do it, I will see you all next Saturday. What did we have on? We had something on next week. We're going somewhere or something next week. Can't remember now what we were doing next week. I'm sure we got something to do anyhow, whatever. So I will see you all, if not Thursday, if I do decide to do one, I will see you all Saturday. And thank you very much for all my new subs, and obviously my old subs that supported me all this time. And I love y'all.